Car starts beautifully. Correct Becker Europa engine radio. If you want to take a car for a cruise on a nice day like today, this is the car. One thing about driving a restored car, sometimes it's not sorted out and it won't drive or shift properly. Sometimes you go on a back road like this and you hit a bump, there's a rattle or a clunk. This is absolutely perfect. It's been very well sorted out. You can see the steering wheel is perfectly straight, not pulling left or right.
This 300SE is a very late model, and it has a 3-position air ride system. The lower control sets it at normal ride height for driving down the highway. The center position, you put it in when you want to service the car, and the technician has to put the arms of the lift underneath the car, so it raises it up slightly to do that. And then there's an off-road position. If you're going into a field, let's say at a polo match or at a car race or something like that, and you have to park the car out in the field and you don't want the underside dragging on the grass, you put it in the upper position, it would raise it to that level for driving. But the car can be driven in any of these modes on the street.
Shifts beautifully. You know, I must say, it's probably one of the nicest driving Mercedes I've ever driven. It just feels solid. Especially in a convertible, you hit a bump and cars can shake and the whole windshield can shake. I mean, these cars were really built properly from the factory, and then when it's correctly restored, it really shows. Great oil pressure, our temperature's coming up. All the gauges too were totally restored, so restored from great gauges, but everything was sent out. That's why there's nothing that was overlooked on the restoration of the car. Everything was done correctly, using all the correct components and all the correct restoration facilities that did a great job in the mechanical fuel injection, the brake system, the gauges, the radio, just every component of the car works properly, and it shows the quality of the restoration. What a great ride.